to this state forest, and we will go to hunt some peppercorns. So here we go. Here we go. There's the trails. We just go to the right hand. Right hand. Right hand. Right hand. Here we go.
Growing some corn.
We are working on the right hand and work along the trail. It's pretty nice stuff. You can see that there's a farmer have coins and those kind of woods. So we just get on this trail, keep working. Oh, actually this trail is a horse trail. I think if you have horse, you can ride a horse on this trail. It's cool. That's pretty nice. We just work along the horse trail. And then when we parking, then we go to the right hand side and keep working, you see.
Why?
Yeah, those are the peppercorns we were picking. It's very delicious in the Asian food. If you make Asian food, it also make your food taste more yummy and also give a very different spicy. Those are peppercorn we're picking. We will pick there's a pile here. I pick a lot. There's a lot of the peppercorn trees. So we pick it here with my kids. Those are peppercorns, and they grow the trees like a rose and the flower rose. And those are the, let's see, those are one we will pick it. It's usually have a lot together. I'll show you. There's a pile of a lot here. And thanks my friend Beetle Yang, and he told me here to pick it. Thank you. So this is the one. See a lot. It will grow like this. It's like a root, have a lot of stuff poking you. So be very careful when you pick it. Don't hurt yourself. So we just pick it. Pick it more. Just pick it. So we just pick some. And those is a very important ingredients. And in Asia also, especially Sichuan food. And if you like Sichuan food, yeah, this is a very important ingredient. Spicy. This is a different kind of spicy besides the chili pepper. Okay. Just be careful, don't poke it. So this is a lot of here. There's a lot of the pale here. Take it. See those are pokers I see on the eye, so don't poke it by it. Be very careful. The leaves, I also pick some fresh leaves and use this to make some food, make some bread. Because when I was little, I love to, when probably 8 years old, I start cooking. I use this, put it in the bread in my hometown. It's really very delicious. Make the whole house smell so good. This spice is, it has been used in China over 3,500 years. It's very important spices for Chinese food cooking or cuisine. And those are really great. Yeah, I'm glad I can find those in America. So cool. It is really good.